Good morning dear students. So in this video we will discuss the multiple choice questions from the chapter Mapping Your Way to the last chapter of your mathematics book. So let's start the video. First question is from Mapping Your Way. Question number 1. Name the states you cross while going from Karnataka to Uttar Pradesh. So while you go from Karnataka to Uttar Pradesh, either you have to go through Rajasthan or you can go through Andhra Pradesh. So Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh are correct. Next question. Name the states which touch the border of Pakistan. So Rajasthan is the state which touch the border of Pakistan. Next question. Name the states which touch the border of Bihar. So Uttar Pradesh is the state which touch the border of Bihar. Next question. In Bombay we locate, yes, Gateway of India. Next question. A map is given here. Question number 5. How many trees are there? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here are 9 trees, but option is not given here. 2, 4, 6 and 8 options are given here, so answer will be 9. The next question. How many trees are there in post office? So in post office there are 1, 2, 3. 3 trees are here, so answer is 3. Next question. How many gates are there? So here is only one gate, this one is the gate, so the answer is 1. Next question. How many shops are there? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 shops are here, so answer is 4. Next question. How many states are there in India? 4, 28, 5, 26. As per the required data, the options 28 will be the answer here. Then actually 29 states are here, but as per the options 28 will be the answer here. Then question number 10. In which direction Mumbai is located in map? So in west direction Mumbai is located. Then next chapter, boxes and sketches. Question number 1. Cube has how many faces? Cube has 6 faces. Next question. Rectangle has dash faces. Rectangle has 4 faces. Your faces means side. So rectangle has 4 faces or 4 sides. Then cuboid has how many faces? Cuboid has 6 faces, like that of cube. Then question number 4. Square has how many faces? Square has 4 faces. Here faces means side. So in 2D shapes like square, rectangle, faces means you have to count the sides, but in 3D faces you will count the faces. So square has 4 faces, rectangle has 4 faces, cuboid and cube both have, each of has 6 faces. Then question number 5. Straw has faces. Straw. So straw is a cylinder. So straw has faces, 3 faces. Straw has 3 faces, 2 spherical faces and 1, yes, 2 spherical faces are there at the top and bottom, and 1 also spherical face is there in the middle. So total 3 faces are there of a straw. Straw is a cylinder shape. Then question number 6. Ladu has dash faces. Ladu has only one face. Ladu is a sphere, so Ladu has only one face. Then ball has also only one face. Ball is also a sphere. Then Bengal has how many faces? Bengal. Bengal has one face. Bengal is also one face. Then Dur has how many faces? Dur is a cuboid, so Dur has 6 faces. But option is not here. Dur has a 6 faces. Next question, suitcase has how many faces? Suitcase is also a cuboid, so suitcase has also 6 faces, but what option is not given here. So suitcase and Dur both have 6 faces. Then next question, from 10th and 100th. Question number 1, 2.698 multiplied by 100. So the answer will be, here the decimal point is 3 places right. 3 places right means after the decimal point there are 3 digits. So if you multiply 100, then in 100 there are 2 zeros. So you will replace the decimal point 2 digits later. So the number will be 269.8. So 269.8, option C. Then question number 2, 18.56 multiplied by 10. 18.56 multiplied by 10, that will be equal to 185.6, option C. Next question number 3, 9 divided by 100. So 9 divided by 100 will be 0.09. 0.09. Next question, 836.51 divided by 1000. So if you divide, then the decimal point will move backward. Sorry, the decimal point will move forward. So here in 1000, here are 3 zeros. So the decimal point will move 3 digits ahead. So the answer will be 0.83651. 0.83751, but answer is not given here. So the answer will be 0.83751. 0.83751. Next question, number name for 30.021 is 30.1, 32, 30.21, 57. So the correct answer will be 30.021, but answer is not given here. 30.021. So you can write here 30.021, not 20. 30.021, 30.021 होगा. Okay, next question number 6, 142 divided by 100. So 142 divided by 100 will be 1.42. Answer will be 1.42, but answer is not given here. 1.42. Next question, question number 7, 2 by 100. 2 by 100 equal to 0.02. Here is also not answer is not given. Answer will be 0.02. Next question, question number 7 हो गया. Then question number 8, 0.5. 0.5 equal to 5 by 10. 0.5 equal to 5 by 10. Next question number 9, 0.001 equal to 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000. Next question, 57 by 10. 57 by 10 equal to, answer will be 5.7, but here answer is not given. 5.7. Okay. Next chapter, area and its boundary. Question number 1, how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? So there are 100 centimeter in 1 meter. So answer will be 100. Then question 2, how many milliliters are there in 1 liter? So in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliter. Then question 3, area of a rectangle is a LXB. As the area of a rectangle is L multiplied by B. Yes, length multiplied by breadth. So this is the option here. This is option A. L multiplied by B means length multiplied by breadth. So area of rectangle is L multiplied by B. Next question. Question number 4. The fencing of a square field is 20 meter. Measure of one side will equal to. So the length of each side of the square is 20 meter. So the perimeter will be 20 multiplied by 4, that will be 80 meter. So the answer is 80 meter. The fencing of a square field is 20 meter. Yes. Okay. So here the question is opposite. Here the fencing of a square field is given, that is 20 meter. So the length of one side will be perimeter divided by 4. 20 divided by 4, that will be 5. So 5 centimeter, 5 meter. Okay, so the fencing of a square is 20 meters, then the measure of one side will be 5 meter. The next question, area of the rectangle whose length and breadth are 10 multiplied by 30, means length is 30 meter and breadth is length is 10 meter and breadth is 30 meter. So the perimeter, the area will be length multiplied by breadth will be 10 multiplied by 30 equal to 300 square meter. 300 square meter. Then question number 6, area of a square is 40 square centimeter. One side will equal to. So area is 40. So whose square is 40? Area of a square is 40 square centimeter. Then what will be its one side will equal to. So here the answer is actually the question is wrong. Here the area will be 400 square centimeter. Then we have to find out whose square is 400. The square of 20 is 400. So the answer will be 20 centimeter. Then next question, make a for correct answer. Square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer known. So this question is incomplete. We'll come to next question. Question number 8. A rectangular plot is 10 centimeter by 5 meter in dimension. Its area will be. The rectangular plot is 10 centimeter by 5 meter in dimension. Its area will be. So means length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 5 meter. So area will be length multiplied by breadth. So 10 multiplied by 5 equal to 50 meter square. The next question, the perimeter of a square whose sides are 2.5 centimeter will be. The perimeter of a square equal to length multiplied by 4. So 2.5 multiplied by 4. Answer will be 10. 10.0. So answer will be 10. So here answer is 10 centimeter. Next question, the perimeter of a square with side 11.5 centimeter will be. So here side of each length of each side is 11.5 centimeter. So the perimeter will be 11.5 centimeter multiplied by 4. That answer will be 46. 46.0. So the answer will be 46 centimeter. 11.5 multiplied by 4 equal to 46. So 46 centimeter. The next chapter, smart charts. The pie chart shows the favorite fruits of the students of class 5th. Answer the following questions. So question 1, which fruit is the most favorite? So most favorite fruit is here, which is liked by 45. So banana. Favorite is banana. The next, which fruit is the least favorite? So least favorite is yes, orange. It is liked by only 20. So orange. Then question 3, how many students like oranges? So 20 students like oranges. Next, how many students like pineapple? Pineapple 25. So 25 students like pineapple. The difference between the number of the students who like oranges and banana. So number of students who like oranges is equal to 20 minus number of students like bananas equal to 45. So here you have to subtract 45, subtract 20 from 45. So the difference will be 25. the difference will be 25. So number of students, the difference between the number of students who like oranges and banana will be number of students who like banana minus number of students minus number of students who like oranges. So 45 minus 20 equal to 25. Next question. Geeta made a record of the pets kept in the pets corner in a school. Study the following and answer the question. So here this is a table of tally mark. So you can tell that it is also a pictograph. So one picture means 5 animals. So there are dash fish. So in fish column there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 diagrams are there and each diagram represents 5. So for 4 multiplied by 5 equal to 20. So 20 fish are there. Next there are 10 dash rabbits and turtles. Rabbit and turtle. So there are 15 rabbits and turtle 10. So total 25. 25 rabbits and turtle. Next question, there are dash birds. So birds 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So 30 birds are there. Then there are dash birds more than fish. So number of birds minus number of fish. Number of birds 30 minus number of fish 20. So answer will be 10. Next question, there are dash turtle and fishes. So number of turtle 10 plus number of fish 20. So total will be 30. So total will be 30. Number of turtle and number of turtle is 10 plus number of fish is 20. So total will be 30. Next, ways to multiply and divide. What is the missing operation for the questions from 1 to 5? Okay, you have to use symbol. So 440 dash 10 equal to 44. So if you divide 440 by 10, then it will be 44. So here division mark will be here the answer, division mark. Next question, 575 dash 205 equal to 370. So if you subtract 205 from 575, the answer will be 370. So here the symbol will be negative symbol, that is a subtraction. Then question number 3, 252 dash 5 equal to 1260, 1260. If you multiply 252 by 5, it will give 1260. Then question number 4, 333 dash 110 equal to 223. If you subtract 110 from 333, then you will get 223. Then question number 5, 72 dash 22. Your question is incomplete. So come to next question. 0.9 multiplied by 5. 9 multiplied by 5. 9 multiplied by 5. Here the question is printing mistake. So 9 multiplied by 5 equal to 45. So 15 multiplied by 3 equal to 45 also. 9 multiplied by 5 equal to 45. Again, if you multiply 15 with 3, it will also give 45. So both will be equal. So here answer is 15. Next question, 12 multiplied by dash equal to 108. 12 multiplied by 9. 12 9s are 108. Then 70 divided by 14 equal to 5. Next question, 3743 multiplied by 100 equal to 3,74,300. Then 0 divided by 9,000 equal to 0. Any number divided by, if you divide any number by 0, then if you divide any number, if you divide 0 by any number, the answer will be 0. Next question from chapter how big and how heavy. The amount of space occupied by an object is called volume. Next, the volume of a cube of 3 cm edges will be, the formula is length multiplied by length multiplied by length. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 27 cubic centimeter. The next, a cuboid measures 3 cm by 4 cm by 5 cm. What is its volume? Means length and breadth and height are given here, 3, 4 and 5 cm respectively. the volume will be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5, it will give 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 60 square 60 cubic centimeter, 60 cubic centimeter. The next question, cubes, number of cubes in 6 layers, 4 in the first layer of box we can arrange. Number of cubes in 6 layers, 4 in the first layer of box we can arrange. This question is incomplete. So come to next question. Question number 5. A matchbox measures 5 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter. Find its volume. So volume will be 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 30 cubic centimeter. Next, question number 6. Milk is measured in liter. All liquids are measured in liter. Then question number 7. 30 ml is equal to 1 ml is equal to 0.001 liter. So 30 ml will be equal to, here the question is printing mistake, the correct answer will be 30 ml is equal to 0.030 liter, or you can tell 0.03 liter, 0.03 liter, but here answer is not given. Next, question number 8. 2 multiplied by 0.50 ml is equal to 1 ml is equal to 1 ml. Then question number 9. 9001 divided by 9 equal to 90,001 divided by 9 will be equal to, here the options are not correct, answer is not given here. The correct answer will be, the question will be 10,000 and the remainder will be 1. So here answer is not given. The next question, find missing numbers of 50 ml, 100 ml, dash 200 ml. So here this is a number series, 50 ml, then 100 ml, then dash, then 200 ml. So here each number is increasing by 50 ml from its former number. So after 100 ml, that latter number will be 150 ml, 150 ml. So the answer is A, option A, 150 ml. So in this video we discussed all the MCQ questions, multiple choice questions from mapping your way to how big and how heavy. Wish you all the best for the coming math exam. Okay.